This is Alan Bush with the daily financial forecast for Thursday, June 16th. Of course, yesterday we did get the anticipated rate increase from the Fed of 75 basis points, although we did have one dissenter who voted for just a 50 basis point hike. Stock index futures trading a little bit better after the press conference. This basically when Fed Chair Powell indicated that the economy may be slowing to some degree next year, hinting that they may be a bit less aggressive in hiking rates into 2023. But it seemed very clear that there will be more rate hikes this year, including the possibility of another 75 basis point hike in July. Moving over to the currencies, the dollar index lower as central banks in Europe hiked interest rates, including the Swiss National Bank in a surprise move, increased their rate by 50 basis points from negative 75 basis points to a negative 25 basis points, and the Bank of England hiking its rate by 25 basis points to 1.25%. That was as expected. And in the interest rate futures markets, futures a little bit lower, holding up relatively well. Right now, it does appear that the Fed at the July 27th meeting will hike by 75 basis points, and the probability of that type of hike right now is at 77%, and the probability of a 50 basis point hike just at 23%. So interest rate futures markets, it seems, are very susceptible, I would think, to what's going on in the economy. Most economic reports are coming in on the weak side, so that remains supportive. Of course, countering this is the still hawkish Fed, at least hawkish for this year. So, once again, good trading, everyone. And remember, these are my opinions alone and are not the opinions of ADMIS or ADM.